Welcome, newcomers, to the introduction of Google Sheets Starting Guide, Part 1 of 3 parts, presented by the Fruitland Park Library. Table of Contents, Google Sheets Starting Guide, Part 1 of 3 parts. Google Account, Home Page, Import a File, Ribbon Sections Explained, Quick Access Toolbar, Section 1, Tool Finder, Undo, Redo, Print, Paint Format, Zoom. Section 2, Format as Currency, Percentage, More Formats, Increase or Decrease Decimal. Section 3s, 4, and 5, Font, Font Size, Bold, Italic, Text Color, Strike Through, Fill Color. Section 6, Fill Color, Borders, Border Colors, Border Style, Merge Cells. Section 7, Horizontal Align, Vertical Align, Text Wrap, Text Rotation. Section 8, Insert Links, Comments, Chart, Create a Filter, Filter Views. You do not need a Google email address, Gmail, to open an account. Any valid email address can be used, but you must create a Google account. There are a couple of different ways to open Google Sheets. In Drive, click New, then click Google Sheets. Or you can go to the internet, type in Google Sheets, click on the website to sign in. There are several advantages to using Google programs. There is no software or subscription to buy. Because Google handles all of the updates automatically, everyone has the same up-to-date version. Google also automatically saves your work and keeps a history of all the changes. To see the history of a sheet, open a sheet, go to File, and click on it. Click on Version History. Select Version History. On the Google home page, you can select a blank sheet which will open a new sheet. Select from the template gallery or select a sheet that you have already been working on. Or you can import a file that you have created in another program, for example, Excel. Click File, select Import. When Import File opens, select Upload to import the file. You can browse for the file or drag and drop the file. Once the file has been selected and inserted, the Import File dialog box will open. Click Import Data. The data will then be inserted into the sheet. This does not delete the original file, it only copies it to the Google Sheet. Sheets Home, Name, Menu, Commands, Quick Access Toolbar, Name Box, Formula Box. Sheet, column letters, row numbers, active cell, sheet tabs. Right-click on the sheet and the context menu opens. Tool Finder. Clicking on the Tool Finder search box and the Import File feature becomes active. The Tool Finder can be used to search for menu items, import files, and tools, but also it can be used to apply commands. To apply a command, type in a phrase or a keyword in the search box. In this example, we will use the command to insert another row. After highlighting row 2, Insert Row was typed into the search box and the drop-down menu became active. Insert one row above was selected. Row 2 is now empty. First section of the Quick Access Toolbar. The remaining section has an Undo and Redo, Print, Zoom, and Paint format. To copy a format, highlight the cell or cells, row or rows, or columns. Click Paint Format, then click on the area you wish to copy the formatting to. Second section of the Quick Access Toolbar. Numbers can be formatted as currency, percentages, and you can also decrease or increase the decimal places. Click More Formats and you have numerous choices, including date and time, rounding currency, and customizing currency. Sections 3, 4, and 5 of the Quick Access Toolbar. Google Sheets font is Calibri by default. Format your sheet by using font style, font size, bold, italic, text color, or strike through. Section 6. Fill color fills the cell with background color. Section 6 of the Quick Access Toolbar continued. Add borders of any color to the cell. You can even select different styles of borders. Section 6 Quick Access Toolbar Merge Cells. 5 rows have been added to the top of the sheet below. The Merge Cells icon will remain grayed out until the cells are selected. Once the cells are selected, the Merge Cells icon becomes active. Merge All was selected, and images and text was then inserted. It's also a great idea to include a business name, address, and contact information. Section 7 of the Quick Access Toolbar. Horizontal Align has 3 selections, left, center, and right. Vertical Align also has 3 selections, top, middle, and bottom. Section 7 of the Quick Access Toolbar. Example of the overflow feature. Notice the column width has not expanded, only the cell has expanded horizontally. May be hard to see. To expand the width of the column, place the cursor on the line between the 2 columns. 2 dark parallel lines will appear, and the cursor will change to a 2-pointed arrow. Google Sheets will then automatically expand the column width. Example of a wrap, example of a clip. Section 7 of the Quick Access Toolbar. Examples of text rotation. None, tilt up, tilt down, stacked vertically, rotate up, rotate down, custom angle at 15 degrees. Section 8 of the Quick Access Toolbar. Section 8 of the Quick Access Toolbar, Insert Link. You can insert a link to a file, another cell or sheet, text, or table. Select a cell with data or a blank cell. For this example, we selected a cell with text. Click on the Insert Link icon and the data will be highlighted. A search box and names of other Google Sheets will be displayed. Select a file or URL and enter it into the search box or paste link box. Click Apply. A line will appear under the data, and when you hover over it, the link information will be displayed as you see below. Section 8 of the Quick Access Toolbar. Insert a comment, select a cell, click the Insert Comment icon. Enter a comment. The comment button will turn blue as you begin to type. Click Post. A small yellowish triangle will be displayed in the upper right corner of a cell. Hover over the triangle to display the comment. Section 8 of the Quick Access Toolbar, Insert Chart. Highlight the data you wish to use in the chart. Click on Insert Chart. The chart will automatically appear on the sheet. To select certain columns, hold down the Control key while highlighting the data. When the chart is inserted, the chart editor automatically opens on the right side panel, which allows you to edit the chart. If you wish to edit the chart later, click on the chart to select it. After selecting the chart, the vertical dots will appear in the upper right corner. Once you click on the dots, the drop-down menu will be displayed. Click Edit Chart, and the chart editor will open. Vertical dots will not be visible until the chart has been selected. Section 8 of the Quick Access Toolbar, create a filter. If your sheet has headers, please freeze all of the rows containing header data before creating a filter. If not, and you conduct a sort, the header data will be included in the sort as you see below. Header row, row 1, was not frozen. Header data row is frozen, so it is not included in the sort. To freeze the header row, go to View menu, select Freeze, and select the number of rows or columns. Note, if you are collaborating with others, it is better to use filtered views when filtering. When using filters and you forget to remove the filtered data is what the others will see. If you have permission to view the sheet, you can create a temporary filter view that is only visible to you, but it will not be saved. There are two ways to create a filter. 1. Highlight a cell, row or rows, column or columns, or the entire sheet. 2. Click the Create a Filter icon on the toolbar. In this example, the header row is selected to filter. Filter has been created. Notice the triangle in the upper right corners of the headers, row 1. Clicking on the triangle opens the drop-down menu. To filter a column, select the column and the number of rows. Example, column A, rows 2 through 5. The second way to create a filter is to select the cell, row, or column. Click the Data menu and select Create a Filter. The triangle will appear in the upper right corner. Clicking on the triangle opens the same drop-down menu. Please leave the filters active. We are going to sort using A to Z. Go to the Data menu, scroll down to Sort Sheet. Select Sort Sheet by column A, parentheses A to Z. The product list is now listed in alphabetical order. Select a few rows and change the background color of these cells. Click Fill Color and select any color of your choice. Click the filter and select Filter by Color. Select Fill Color and then select any background color. To remove the filter by color, click Undo. To filter by condition, create a filter. Click the triangle, a drop-down menu will open. Click on Filter by Condition. Click None, and another menu will open. Select which condition you want to filter by. If the condition you want to filter by is not there, you can create a new condition by selecting Custom Formula at the bottom of the list. After clicking None, drop-down menu opens. To filter by value, use the same steps to create a filter as before. Select a filter, uncheck any value that you do not want to include in the filter. Click OK. Column G was selected for filter. Notice the triangle icon has now changed to a funnel icon. This indicates a filter has been applied to the column. To create a filter view, go to Data. Instead of selecting Create a Filter, select Filter Views. Then click on Create New Filter View. You can also click the downward arrow next to the icon on the ribbon. The dark gray borders indicate you are in a filtered view. To close the filtered view, click the X in the upper right corner, or go to the Data menu, select Filtered Views, delete all filtered views, or select Filter View Options and make a selection. You can also use the Filter Views icon on the toolbar. Section 8 of the Quick Access Toolbar Functions. The final icon on the ribbon is the Functions icon. Several of the functions will be discussed in video number 2 of Google Sheets. Fruitland Park Library. This concludes the introduction of Google Sheets Starting Guide. Thank you for joining us for part 1. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial and will be joining us for the remaining parts 2 and 3 of Google Sheets. If you have any questions or you would like a transcript of this tutorial, please contact Gloria Terry at mylakelibrary.org or call 352-360-6561.